Think about the American dream that thousands of Indians chase for years. And what if it starts feeling uncertain? And why more Indian H-1B visa holders are looking at another route that is called EB-5 visa to get a US green card. For many professionals working in America, the H-1B visa has been the most common pathway. It was used by engineers, doctors, tech experts to work in the United States and then secure a green card. One major concern that H-1B visa workers often depend is on their employer. If they lose their job, they may have limited time to find another company willing to sponsor their visa. And these create stress because their future in America just depends on one employer. Another challenge is the H-1B visa lottery. Every year, thousands of talented people apply, but only a limited number are selected. Many students and young professionals worry about what will happen if they do not get the visa. And because of these concerns, some Indian professionals are now exploring the EB-5 Immigrant Investor Program, leaving H-1B and opting for EB-5 visa that works differently. Instead of getting a visa through a company, applicants invest money in approved US projects that create jobs for American workers. If they meet the required conditions, they can eventually apply for a permanent residency known as the green card. Well, according to the immigration experts, the number of Indians choosing EB-5 visa over H-1B significantly rose in the recent years. India now represents as a much larger share of the EB-5 applications, more than H-1B visa. Well, not really, but some Indian parents are also investing their children who are in there for the study, for the work. Their goal is to help the children avoid future visa uncertainty and build a more stable life in the United States. Another reason for EB-5 is becoming popular, which is called the concurrent filing. Eligible applicants apply living in the US on H-1B, then they are able to file a certain application together. This can allow them apply for a travel permission while their green card process continues. However, EB-5 is not a simple shortcut. It requires large financial investment, and applicants must carefully check the project, the rules, and the risk before investing in. And for many Indians, the choice is about security. Well, after spending years in building careers, some professionals want a pathway that gives them more freedom and less dependence on a single employer. And as a result, immigration rules continue to change. The EB-5 is becoming one of the most common options for the Indian H-1B visa holders that are considering while searching for a more permanent future in the US. What is your thought on this? Make sure to comment down below.